Hello everyone, welcome all. Here is one more video on your very favorite and lovely toy of Aman. Let's see what he is going to do in this video with his toy. As we all know that he enjoys exploring fidget spinners a lot. Let's see how he is going to and what he is going to explore today in this video. Guys, upon seeing up to till this video, we can understand that fidget spinner is such a toy which spins, and it has the parts like outer ring, outer frame, and in the center of it has a bearing, and above the bearing and below the bearing we will have the bearing caps. So in this video he is trying to fix the best bearing with the suitable caps to the outer frame of the fidget spinner. As we have seen till now, he has taken the frame of the fidget spinner, which is a metallic fidget spinner frame, and then he has fixed the bearing in the center of it. Then he has checked for the caps which is suitable to fix on the top and the below of the fidget spinner on the bearing. And when he is satisfied that is going to be spinning properly, then he has sure and he has fixed these parts bearings with the caps to the outer framework and make the fidget spinner complete. And once it is complete, he is spinning, as we can see. So after trials, his fidget spinner is ready and he's spinning, and we find that spinners are moving faster. He's spinning the fidget spinner faster. He's very much happy to see this spinning of his fidget spinners after his trials. Doing all this activity by himself and making changes to his favorite toys, customizing his own toys as per his wish, as per his choices, and making them run, making them working. It's very amazing feeling. As a parent, I can share with you that my son is doing very well in checking the fidget spinners, customizing it, making it spin, and doing a lot more, which I'll be sharing in another videos also. So guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and do comment and let us know what more you want from Aman, which kind of videos you want to see from him. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Stay connected, keep subscribing. Thank you.